One normal morning in a daily life of a student named Nacha, she started her morning just like any other student, preparing for school. When she's preparing herself, she heard a news from the television, another forest burning, just like any other day. Since she goes to school with a motorcycle, she always remembers to use a mask to protect herself from pollution in the street. After that, she left her house and goes to school. After spending few minutes on the street, she arrived at school. She parked her motorcycle at the school's parking lot, not far from them. Another student started to coughing. They probably forgot to wear a mask, thought student. She then went to her class. In the class, just like a normal day, the teacher started to call every student's name to know are they present or not. There are few students who didn't come to school because of the various reasons. Many of them didn't come because of flood. After that, the lesson continued. At break time, Nacha spent her time sitting and thinking about her daily life. Nacha was thinking. Indonesia is a country that lays on the equator with its beautiful, diverse nature. The beauty that caught not only the locals' attention, but the whole world is amazed by the richness of Indonesia's nature. An interesting nature diversity that we can see as examples are beautiful views of nature. Mountains standing as high as the clouds, covered in green of rice field or rainforest. And then there are beaches with the clear water and clear blue sea, with a background of Southeast Asia's biggest forest and wildlife reserves. With that much diversity, it is not questionable that Indonesia became the sixth most beautiful country in the world. Even so, the diversity that should have been protected by all was wasted and replaced by nonsense lies. Forests are chopped down to be producing lands. Mountains are slowly disappearing for money. We can see the forest of Kalimantan, one of the world's biggest lungs. From 74 million hectare forest of Kalimantan, only 71% left in 2005, and in 2015 decreased into 55%. If the rate of forest logging doesn't change, it is believed that Kalimantan will lose 6 million hectares of forest until 2020. The meaning that only a third area of the forest left. Deforestation in Indonesia is caused by wood industrial and constricting the natural forest. This high rate of deforestation of forests in Indonesia caused Guinness Book of Record had given Indonesia the title of country with the highest rate of forest destruction in the world, an achievement that can't be celebrated indeed. The decreased are and quality of forests in Kalimantan became a deadly threat to protected animals in Kalimantan. For example, orangutan, bekantan, honey bears, and various kinds of owa. How frustrating. Also, not only that, deforestation also caused many natural disasters, flood, avalanche, drought because of there's no more water supply on the ground and many more. Less forests also mean less trees to produce oxygen for human to breathe. Supported by another fact that motor vehicles are increasing, meaning that more pollution produced, but the factor that stops those pollution is decreasing. Jakarta, the capital of Indonesia, became one of the most polluted cities in the world. Other than deforestation and pollution, the threatening condition of trashes for sea ecosystem are currently highly increasing. Plastic trashes right now already become a big problem in Nusantara.